So it's been a while, all right? As far as inexpensive products are concerned, I hear it a lot. Lou, $3,000 speaker, what's going on here? All right, we need the value stuff. We need something I can afford. This is 5 unique, strange, unusual gadgets under $10. What do I have in front of me? I want to start with the flash fan. Smartphone LED fan. Now, it is kind of chilly where I'm located, but maybe it's not for you. In fact, I recently traveled to India and it's surely not chilly there. Maybe you want something like this. A little fan, cool you off, that plugs into your phone, and I guess it looks cool at the same time. They make a few models, black and white color. Plug it into your smartphone powers it. These are a little over 10, gotta be honest with you. These are like 13 bucks, but still, okay? Close enough. Oh, that's a tight fit. Hit the button. Oh! Wow. It's more powerful than I expected. And the lights? I mean, you're putting on a show all of a sudden. Sort of flip it up and this is you. That works for 13? USB Type-C, also micro and iOS. I think that's pretty cool. In the same department, the USB light, I'm gonna open up the black one here, plug it into a USB port. This product can be used with a power bank, laptop, and all other USB devices. Dependable and bendable. I don't know if it's dependable yet. I have a small power bank over here, and let's see what happens. Boom! You see that? That's, I mean, it's an LED. Why is it flashing now? If you bend it, it's off? No. Is this faulty? Is this DOA? Let's try another one. All right, so you plug it in. Maybe you have a power outage. You need a real quick flashlight that can last for a really long time and doesn't require removable batteries, AA batteries or something like that. A little bendable, hopefully dependable USB light. Okay, next up we have something that just arrived today. It's called Elipack. These guys, they have a pretty basic kind of proposition here, which is that everybody's got a charge cable or some headphones sitting around. So in your house, you might have a bunch of different charge cables. One of them's yours. Your sibling, they're stealing your cable. Who knows what they're up to? They all look the same, and you can't prove it after the fact. Comes in a bunch of different colors. I mean, this is just a basic lightning cable. That's actually not so bad. And I guess the intention here is that you cut it to size also. We're gonna come back to this. We're gonna put Mo to work. He's gonna show us the finished product there. The next one is probably my favorite of the bunch. This is really cool. This product here is called Lifelight Emergency LED Bulbs. It's a 4 to 5 hour emergency light. Of course, there's all kinds of smart bulbs out there in the world. You've seen them in the past, and they're cool. Nothing wrong with those. This one kind of takes a different approach. There's no app for it, nothing too fancy like that, and that's part of the reason why it's inexpensive. And the key factor with this is when the power goes out, it keeps running. So it has a built-in rechargeable battery. It'll be charging up as it sits in your socket, and then when the power goes out, this thing still has 5 hours of battery life. Now I have one set up in a lamp over here. I go ahead, I turn it on, it works, I turn it off, continues to function. You're like, I don't get it, Lou, what's the big, you got the, it's plugged in. Oh, is it? Is it? How about this? That is the prong. That's juice coming from, look, that's all the cables right there. That's juice coming straight from the bulb, and you can see the switch still functions. In the event of a power outage, these babies, they just fire on. Your switch still works. I'm not gonna ask questions, it just does. That's pretty cool, especially at the price point these things. 4 for 30, and then you get 4 free. It's well under the $10 price point of the other items in this video, and I don't know, that's just genius. All bulbs should have that. They also give you this little clip adapter. So this thing they include in the box, this little clip with a hanger on it. This will then act as a switch. It doesn't get hot because it's an LED, and once again, it's durable too. That's not glass. 10,000 hour lifetime. To a loved one, in the event of a power outage, they're gonna be thinking about you when that light kicks on. Man, I love that person.
I love them. And I love you. You're always thinking about me.
Now, it is worth noting, they're not the only people who make this type of bulb. There's a few others on Amazon as well, but this is the one I tested, and it works, and it's cool, and it's cheap. I could say whatever I want. Bleep, bleep. So Mo is finished with his arts and crafts project. $8 for 2 of these. So I guess it's a little cheaper than just replacing the cable. I don't know about the value there when you could just grab another cable. Look at this, I don't know. Different colors. Elipack, it's kind of interesting. This is not nylon, it's more of a plastic material, but nonetheless, that's what it ends up looking like, and it's definitely cooler than the original cable. It's probably not gonna tangle as easily either. There you have it. All right, what do we have? Last up, maybe the most exciting. This was Mo's selection for the day. The Stormproof Sweet Fire Strikeable Fire Starter. Windproof, waterproof, made from renewable biofuel. This will burn for 7 minutes each. $10, $9.99 for 20 of these fire starters. It's made from sugarcane. That's interesting. Outdoor use only. All right, we're taking a risk here. Don't try this at home. Maybe we are outdoors. You just don't know that. This is an outdoor studio. You would never know. All right, with the backdrop, keep your unused fire starters in this plastic wrap. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. A little bit of water here. I guess I'll dunk it. Ooh. Dunkaroo. That's properly wet. Look at that. Let's try to strike it when it's wet. Oh, baby. Whoa. That is a serious flame. Oh! Suffocation. Water ain't gonna stop that thing. Once again, this is for outdoor use only. Don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional. That's the face of a professional right there. Big Mo in the house! Mo, come over here, Mo. Mo! Yeah! Anyhow, there it is. A bunch of cool gadgets under or right around $10. Now you can't possibly say that everything I show on this channel is unattainable. You can probably afford some of these and say that you participated in the full extent of the Unbox Therapy universe by potentially enjoying one of these yourself. Okay, good night.